tends to wash. Where would you say he went over the line, if at all?
Well, his own department obviously, put him on administrative duty, so they have already recognized that he stepped over the line. When you take somebody out of courts, that has to be that you feel that your personal safety is in danger. It appears, obviously, he took this too personal. When she didn't put out the cigarette, now all of a sudden you're taking her out of car. These cameras that the officers are wearing, you live and die by what you say with this. It appears, looking at this, because she didn't put out the cigarette, next thing he knows, he's asking the person to step out of the vehicle. You can't take it personal. It's a job.
But what if, there are times, I'm sure, someone has, in the history of this land, used a cigarette against a police officer, maybe chucked it at him, pushed it at him.
Absolutely.
If he indeed felt as though that could be a potential threat, was that the wise thing to do on his part?
I think because you know, and you have to know you're being recorded, you have to say it. Listen, I need you to step out to sign this warning. I wouldn't want somebody stepping out with a cigarette. I've had a cigarette try to be, I've had somebody try to put a cigarette out on me. It happens. I guarantee you speak to many cops out there, but the way you say it, unfortunately, you're locked into, because now it's being recorded. Unfortunately, these officers have to remember that.
Yeah, former NYPD